Due to the current situation of COVID-19, let's celebrate Dussehra like this. Instead of the air pollution that happened by the burning of idol of Ravana, we should say goodbye to the habit of taking things from outside country and help to make economy better and spread fragrance of patriotism. We must destroy Ravana inside us and conquer the evil. Wishing a very happy and enlightening Dussehra.
According to the Hindu calendar, Dussehra is celebrated on the 10th day of Navratri. It is also known as Vijayadashmi. This festival is celebrated to mark history of good over evil. However, amid the pandemic, the celebrations will be somewhat different compared to the previous years. Home Ministry of India has issued guidelines for a safer and happier Dussehra. A very joyful Dussehra to all of you.
Dussehra is the one of the important festival of Hindus. Ravan means 10-headed monster. On this day, Ravan is killed by Ram. That's why this festival named Dussehra. And may all the evils around us are finished and the goodness will flow around us. The festival of Dussehra is celebrated with great pomp and joy all over the country. This festival is also known as Vijayadashmi. It falls during the Shukla Paksh, during the month of September or October. And do you know why we celebrate Dussehra? Okay, I will tell you. We celebrate Dussehra every year all over the country because on this day, Lord Rama gets the victory over the demon Ravan.
Let's know something about Dussehra. The term Dussehra in Sanskrit Dashar means the defeat of the sun. The Dussehra is celebrated in the month of Ashwin, which is the 10th month in the Hindu calendar. It is a 9-day festivity which involves various celebrations of good over evil and ends on the auspicious 10th day, which is known as Vijayadashmi. The southernmost part of the India in the state of Tamil Nadu, Dussehra is called as Golu. I hope you like my speech. Thank you.
The festival of Dussehra signifies the victory of Lord Rama over King Ravana. On this day, we burn the effigies of Ravana. Burning of these effigies is symbolic of cleansing of one's soul of sin. The 10 heads of Ravana represent his 10 bad qualities. Dussehra is popularly celebrated in Mysore. Hence, Dussehra means victory of truth and good over bad and evil. Thank you. Happy Dussehra.
There are many festivals which are celebrated in India. Dussehra is one of them. Dussehra is a Hindu festival that celebrates the victory of good over evil. It is celebrated on Dashmi or the 10th day of Shukla Paksh in the Ashwin month of Hindu calendar every year. The word Dussehra is formed by two words, Dasha, which means 10, and Hara, that means defeat. On this day, Lord Rama conquered Lanka by killing demon king Ravan and rescued his wife Sita.
हेलो चिल्ड्रेन, चलिए दशहरे की एक कहानी सुनते हैं, एक अलग सी कहानी. You all heard of Lord Shri Ram, his wife Sita, Lakshman, Hanuman and Ravan. Let me tell you something about Ravan today. Now the meaning of the word Ravan means one who roars loud. शोर मचाने वाला, हा 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 हा, हाहाकार मचाने वाला. तो क्या रावण बहुत शोर मचाता था? Let's find out. So Ravan was the king of Lanka. He was an extremely intelligent man. He's also called Brahma Rakshas, someone who has the intelligence and power of a Brahmin and a Rakshas. He was the master of astronomy and planet movements. It is even said that he could control the rising of the sun. उन्हें 3 लोक का राजा भी कहा जाता है। अपनी तपस्या और कड़ी मेहनत के कारण उन्हें भगवान ब्रह्म से ये वरदान मिला था कि कोई उन्हें मार नहीं पाएगा, बी इट अ गॉड और अ डीमन। लंका के लोग उनके राज्य में बहुत खुश थे। रावण was a scholar who had read books like the Vedas, Upanishads, and he played the veena very well. और कहा जाता है उस समय hundreds of years ago लंका में फ्लाइंग चैरियट यानी कि पुष्पक विमान पाए जाते थे, and they even had airports for these pushpak viman so many years ago. Ravan also wrote Ravan Samhita, a book on Hindu astrology. ये भी कहा जाता है कि रावण के 10 सिर थे. Well, that simply means that he was one man with the power and intelligence of 10 brains. Well, children, if he was so intelligent, what turned such a bright and intelligent man into the evil Rakshas that we burn every year at Dussehra? You know what? रावण का सबसे बड़ा अवगुण था उसका अहंकार. हा 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 हा. दुनिया में मुझसे शक्तिशाली कोई नहीं. His ego and arrogance made him believe that others were powerless. So he just wanted to grab, snatch and take what was not his. यही कारण था कि उन्होंने भगवान श्री राम की पत्नी को अगवा किया और ले गए लंका. What followed was a war between Lord Rama's army and Ravan that ultimately led to the defeat of Ravana, and that is what we celebrate every year as Dussehra. Dussehra मतलब 2 शब्दों से बना हुआ 10 और हरा मतलब रावण के 10 सिरों को डिफीट करने वाला दिन. सो बच्चों, इस दुशहरे हमें खुद को रावण बनने से बचाना है. सो यू सी, whenever we get greedy, we don't collaborate, मिल बांट कर एक दूसरे से शेयर नहीं करते, एक दूसरे को धक्का मुक्की मार कर आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो it's just like रावण singing. देखा बेटा, मेरे जैसे बन रहे हो. आपकी आवाज अंदर से रावण जैसे तब बोलेगी बच्चों, when you want to grab everything, when you don't want to give, when you want to forcefully take and not think about others. So this Dussehra, let's pledge, let's make a promise to drive the Ravan out of the beautiful us, the beautiful you and me. Demand less, give more, do a good deed.